Hello. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to look at one of our role coaches. Every week, if you go to foundersaienablement.com, you can get a new role coach that you can explore for free. And this week's role coach is Chief Marketing Officer. So it's real-time guidance for CMOs on skills and strategies. If you use the tool, it opens up ChatGPT as we normally have. And since it is a GPT, you do need to have the upgraded version of GPT. I'm going to move my little Loom stuff out of the way and then hit let's get started. So with each role coach, what they basically do is go out and pulls up the 12 of the responsibilities that are often seen in that role. So in this case, as you can notice, these are all very much different things that you would be doing if you were leading marketing. So I'm going to choose developing and implementing marketing strategies because that's where I'm going to say I'd like help for today. So 1, developing and marketing strategies. And so each time it digs down a little more. So which option best describes your challenge? I'm just going to pick the first one, difficulty identifying or targeting the right audience segment. And then it's going to ask me another clarifying question. What do you think is contributing to this? Inadequate market research, unclear definition of the market, insufficient data. I'm going to just go with inadequate market research. Understood. So to clarify the situation, can you tell me about the current state of your research? We have limited or outdated research. It doesn't cover all segments or we struggle. So let's just go with limited or outrated. Okay, thank you for sharing. Now consider this context. There's 8 potential solutions to overcome the obstacle and improve. Comprehensive research, update, advanced analytics, engaging in customer feedback loops, leveraging social media analytics, collaborating with industry partners, exploring third-party research, conducting A/B testing, and building customer personas. Why don't we look at which of these solutions you like to build a playbook for? I'm going to say building customer personas and see what we get. All right, considering the obstacles of limited outdated research, here are 8 potential solutions to building customer personas. All right. I'm going to try that one again. What do you guys think? There we go. So sometimes these GPTs, right, they give you different outputs every time. And in this particular case, wanted to make sure I got the same ones, but it builds us a standard operating procedure for the persona. The purpose is to guide the marketing team in creating a detailed persona. Scope is the marketing team, who are the responsible parties, and then it goes step by step through the different procedure. Now, what you could also do is you could go in and like ask for more info on each of those, and then it tells you how to monitor and review it. And if you actually made this a reference, you would link in any internal documents. So hopefully you found this supportive. You'll find this and other role coaches in the founders.aienablement.com and look forward to seeing you all again soon. Bye.